Students, we have a question over here based on SHM. A particle is executing SHM in a straight line with velocities 8, 7 and 4 centimeter at 3 different points, 1 centimeter from each other. The maximum velocity of the particle is what? So let's say this is your point X. Then 1 centimeter away we have point X plus 1, and then we have point X plus 2. Here the velocity is 8, then 7 and then finally 4. Okay, so we have to find the maximum velocity. So for that, let's use the formula for velocity. So velocity is given by a omega, omega times root of a square minus x square. Okay, so v square will be equal to omega square times a square minus x square. Now in first case, what do we have? V square is 64. So 64 by omega square equal to a square minus x square. In the second case, what do we get? V is 7, so v square will be 49. So 49 by omega square equal to a square minus x plus 1 whole square, and that will be equal to a square minus x square minus 2x minus 1. Now a square minus x square equal to 64 by omega square, that we will put over here. So 49 by omega square is equal to, this term will be replaced by 64 by omega square minus 2x minus 1, or I get 2x plus 1 is equal to 64 minus 49, so that is 15 by omega square. Now we will use the third condition, x plus 2, and we have velocity 4. So putting in this equation, what do we get? So v square means x square is 4, v square will be 16, equal 16 by omega square will be equal to a square minus x plus 2 whole square. So 16 by omega square is equal to a square minus x square minus 4x minus 4. Again, a square minus x square is what? A square minus x square is equal to 64 by omega square. And I can write down also minus 2 times 2x plus 1 minus 2. I can replace this term with this formula over here. 2 times 2x will be 4x, minus 2 times 1, minus 2, and minus 2 will give you minus 4. So 2x plus 1 is equal to what? 15 by omega square. So I can replace over here 15 by omega square. Alright. So 2 is equal to 64 by omega square minus 30 by omega square minus 16 by omega square. So this will be equal to 64 minus 30 is 34, and 34, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 by omega square. So omega square will be equal to 9, or omega will be equal to root of that, that is 3. So we found the value of omega. Since we know the value of omega, we can put it over here to find x. So 2x plus 1 equal to 15 by omega square, that is equal to 15 by 9. So x will be equal to 6 by 9, 3 by 9, that is 1 by 3. Okay, centimeter. So I found x. Now is the question asking maximum velocity of particle. So first of all, we need to find the amplitude now. 64 by omega square equal to a square minus x square. 64 by omega square equal to a square minus x square. So omega is 3. So omega square will be 9. And x square will be 1 by 9. So a square is equals to 65 by 9. Okay. So it implies a will be equal to root 65 divided by 3. Now maximum velocity is what? That is equal to a omega. So omega is equal to 3, right? Omega is equal to 3. So a multiplied by 3 will give you what? Root 65 centimeter per second. So we have option D.